Hey everyone, my name's Brian. Just got this in the mail. Very excited here to open this up and show you guys what's inside. This is the 85X FR Sky, built in, ready to go, 1105 motors, 2 to 4S, and obviously the 85mm. So let's open it up and let's check out what's inside. I haven't even opened this yet, it's brand new. So let me just see what's going on in here. Just open that up. Alright, so let's get this open and check out what's inside. So we got the padding here. Ooh, okay, cool. So we got some extra props first off. And there we got the 85X. So it comes with the black frame, which is really, really nice. I can kind of smell it. It's definitely new, definitely fresh off the production line. So this is a first look at the production version here. Camera, ESO2 or EOS2, cadex, and it's got a Lumiere Axie 2 Micro. Thought in the pictures it showed BetaFPV's name on there, but it doesn't look like they actually went ahead and did that. It's got the LED board, XT30 obviously. This battery strap is interesting. So it's got a nice pad here for batteries. You put in, open this all the way up. Check that out. That's very nice. Looks like the receiver is on the bottom there. So we can definitely access that. We need to bind cables just kind of off to the side here. Have to reroute those and make them look a little bit nicer. But overall, very clean. Liking the motors as well. 1105s seem to be a little bit lighter than most of the other 1105s out there. Hopefully that'll help. So, pretty cool. The canopy is definitely a little bit stronger. It's thicker. It's definitely not their standard beta canopies that are really brittle. This probably could be zip tied down a little bit somewhere. So let's check it out and see what's underneath the hood. It's hard to do well on camera. So the screws go to the outside holes here, so they're not going to the inside holes, which we'll see in just a second here. So the canopy is a little bit wider, which is kind of nice. Along with the upgraded material, seems really cool. Not entirely sure what these holes are here in the front. Hold something else maybe, but let's see what's underneath the hood. So there's our camera mount there, definitely 3D printed on this guy. I've been doing a lot of molded mounts recently. PTX looks very similar, if not exactly the same as the one that's in the 75X. Thought they were discussing doing something different. Camera is BetaFPV branded, which is kind of cool. It's a nice mount, like the way it looks. Looks like it's directly soldered on for the antenna. And covered up there with some liquid electrical tape. The flight controller should be exactly the same as what's in the 75X, which I have here. Probably version 1.2 in this guy. Can tear it down a little bit further later, but I'm not going to do that right now. It is zip tied right here, which is very good to see. I like this antenna a lot. I just put one on my 75X recently, and definitely seems to do a little bit better. Tuck these out of the way. But this is very nice. This isn't the HD version. I decided not to get the HD version and print my own canopy and make my own version. Also got some spare frames. Well, a few spare frames to continue to test the 85X. $5 a pop. They weren't really that bad to purchase, so I'm excited to take one of these frames and actually transfer all the 75X components into it. So I'll put the board in here and run probably the 1103 motors with these props, which I have a couple spare ones of. Also want to do an 85X HD build, which I'll be doing myself because I also purchased some extra 1105 kV, 6000 kV again, and a ESC. So this is the VLHeli32 ESC XT30. It's going to be very nice. And obviously, again, I will be using this flight controller, so I will go ahead and combine it with this ESC, those motors and the frame, put a new VTX on there, and go with the HD camera and use the mount that BetaFPV has provided us. So very excited to check this guy out, see how it flies, and I hope everybody enjoys the first look. Last thing I guess I should do is do a quick little weight, see how much this guy weighs. Right now we're reading 0, so I'm going to put that on there, put the canopy back on, and you can't really see with the camera, but it is at 63 grams without a battery, which is a little heavy. 63 grams is quite a bit for this guy. The 75X that I have modded weighs about 40 grams, so it'll be interesting to see what we can do with the custom builds. Hopefully get one a lot lighter and see if it flies any better. But I'm really excited to try this out on 4S and 3S and see how it goes. I'll have a flight video pretty soon.